Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Dewi Insyada. I'm from class D. And then I want to explain about the final project. The title is Analysis of Grammar Error on Instagram Social Media in Caption and Comment. And then the first chapter 1, Introduction. The first background of study. Instagram is popular of all age. For businessmen, the existence of Instagram is a media of innovation to promote product that they sell. Not only for businessmen, Instagram is more used widely by government institution, religion, organization, social activities, education, trade, and other. And then the next is problem of study. Based on the background of study above, the research question of this research are the first: what are grammatical error made by Indonesian male and female commenters in comment on Instagram? And then the second, what are the causes of the grammatical error on caption Instagram? And then the next is chapter 2, Review of Literature. The first, grammatical error. When talking about standard written language, this is closely related to syntax. As we know, a complete sentence will consist of subject, predicate, object, adverb, or adjective. However, in internet language, there are many definitions that occur as already start. This is due to the desire of internet user to communicate quickly, the need to express emotion, and the infinite creativity of user, which in turn make binding rule in grammar often ignored. Because if the accuracy of grammar is applied in an informal setting, it will feel strange because it sounds uncommon. According to Bergamo, there are grammatical errors that often appear in the internet language. And then the first, omission of subject. There are several crucial reasons why internet users like to omit subject. The first is because the subject identity is always acknowledged before the conversation. For example, A. Where should I pay for the rent while have money? Just try to ask Jessica. Inappropriate tenses form. And then the next, inappropriate tenses form. Internet user give more focus on message delivery and message transmission speed rather than accuracy in grammar. Therefore, a user always held informal chat in a casual manner. For example, I finally submit all my tasks. It must be I have finally submit all of my tasks, like that. And then the next is sentence structure error. Error in sentence structure that are not following good and correct language rules can be caused by code mixing and math mixing by user. Considering that sometimes user use other language as well. Thus, the possibility of combining the structure of the language with other language when talking is more likely to occur. And then the next, spelling mistakes. The low awareness of grammar accuracy Accuracy is also a reason why misspelling often occurs. However, this is not seen as same because basically the accuracy in writing is not the main goal in conversation in online setting. For example, people do not pay attention to capitalization in very country name, in the name of a person or the beginning of writing. For example, do you like Omar House? Omar House. Oh, this is use capitalization. And then the next chapter 3, research methodology. The first, research design. Study of use quality approach. Qualitative research properly used in research with aim to produce contextual understanding and describing social phenomena, people behavior, and action that happen naturally. In the study, the research aim to investigate internet language phenomena that widespread applied by Indonesian is giving comment on social media. The result of this study are help to give deeper a contextual understanding about online linguistic feature and grammatical error that are found when internet user, especially Indonesian male and female commenter, giving any comments on Instagram. In qualitative research, the main instrument in collecting data and developing theory is the researcher him or himself. In this study, the research herself that is directly obtaining, analysis, and interpreting the data. Besides, the conclusion of this study is not able to be generalized. And then the next, and data analysis, data instrument, data, and etc. And then the next chapter 4, finding and discussion. This chapter consists of two parts, namely finding and discussion. In the finding, the part there will be the result from the data collection which had been conducted by the research data analysis, interview, and survey. In the discussion part there will be the answer for the two research question, which are the grammatical error and the cause of grammatical error. And then the first is finding. Grammatical error found. This section consists of the first data finding that will answer the first research question, which is about grammatical error found on Instagram caption and comment. The first research question is about the grammatical error in caption and comment on Instagram account. Based on the data gathered by the research, there were several grammatical errors in the caption of the photo story project on Instagram. This grammatical error could be spelled out as active passive sentence. And then the next cause of the grammatical error. In order to find other obstacle that cause those grammatical error happen, the research conducted the personal sharing about experience in doing the project talk on the chatting application with those 8 participants who were the representative of all the students in class. From the participant opinion, there were several obstacles and that they found while doing the photo story project, and thus would be spelled out one by one in this chapter. The first participant mentioned their obstacles she found when did the project, such as didn't really understand about grammar, lacks experience on writing something, and she also really to read something. Okay, for example, caption in the Instagram. Search language. Guys, I got a big news for you. Now, this is target language. I have got news for you. Grammar error on Instagram, because in this caption you must use auxiliary verb have, because the subject I, we, they, you use have. And then next, pause before we killing each other. And then target language, pause before we kill each other. Now, because the ing suffix is used with the auxiliary verb to form the simple continuous, passive continuous tense, and perfect continuous tense. And then next, mother love never end. No, this is target language. A mother's love never ends. Adding the words a and s in plural a sentence, and there is no need to use capital letter in the word mother. And then the last, nothing greater than a super comfy jeans for every day. Target language, nothing greater than super comfy jeans for every day. Jeans. Jean is plural, missing an s. That is example for the caption, the grammatical error in caption Instagram, caption and comment Instagram. And then the next conclusion, the last conclusion. Their conclusion are drawing from the study, namely a category of error, causes of error, level in of the impact for student, and the first conclusion refer to the category of error. After analyzing the data collection to find grammatical error on student photo story project, it was found that the student did several grammatical error on the caption of their photo story project. This error could be classified into 6 categories, which were active passive sentence, tense, preposition, adverb, clause, subject verb, agreement, and singular plural making. The most common mistake were about the tenses, which can be summed up that the error were in interlingual file, which the cause was on the way they do the overgeneralizing rules due to the influence of their first language. This kind of error was also influenced by the learner mother tongue. In this term, English was not the participant mother tongue, so it would be difficult to apply the structure and rule of the target language well. Okay, thank you for this is for the example my task. And then wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.